Welcome back, AI enthusiasts, to another AI Practitioner Exam Bite. Reviewing the question from the previous episode, the answer is D. The agent fetches specific information from external sources when the large language model identifies a knowledge gap. The agent's primary role in assisting the large language model with multi-step tasks is to act as an intermediary between the large language model and external data sources or services. When the large language model identifies that it lacks the necessary information to complete a task, it calls upon the agent to fetch specific data from external sources. The agent then relays this information back to the large language model, which it uses to formulate a comprehensive response to the user's query. Today we're starting our next task statement 3.2. Choose effective prompt engineering techniques with the exam objective. Describe the concepts and constructs of prompt engineering. For example, context, instruction, negative prompts, model latent space. Now we've already touched a little on prompt engineering in this series, but let's do a refresher. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting effective inputs for AI models, especially large language models. It's all about getting the best possible output by carefully writing and expressing your input. It's a bit like asking someone a question. The clearer you are about what you want, the better their response will be, as they have a better understanding of what you want. Let's break down some essential concepts, the first being context. This is the background information you provide to the AI. It sets the stage for the task at hand. For example, you might say you are a financial advisor helping a client plan for retirement. Context helps the AI understand the framework within it should operate, leading to more relevant and accurate responses. The next key concept is instructions. This is the specific task or question you want the AI to address. You need to be clear and concise. For example, provide 3 investment strategies for a 35-year-old with a moderate risk tolerance. Clear, specific instructions guide the AI to produce focused and useful outputs. Next is negative prompts. These are directions telling the AI what to avoid or exclude in its response. For example, explain quantum computing without using any mathematical formulas or technical jargon. Negative prompts help refine outputs by explicitly stating what should be excluded, often leading to more creative or focused results. And finally, model latent space. This is a little trickier to understand, so bear with me. Model latent space is the AI's internal representation of concepts, like a multi-dimensional concept space, where ideas are interconnected. Imagine a vast multi-dimensional space where cat is closer to dog than to automobile, and red is closer to orange than to blue. When you ask an AI to, for example, write a story about a brave knight, but make it futuristic, the model navigates its latent space to find connections between concepts like knight, bravery, and future, potentially resulting in a story about a courageous space explorer. Understanding latent space helps in crafting prompts that leverage the model's conceptual relationships, leading to more creative and coherent outputs. Let's do a review question. A data scientist is using a large language model to generate product descriptions for an e-commerce website. They want to ensure the descriptions are informative but do not mention competitor products or use overly technical language. Which combination of prompt engineering concepts should they focus on to achieve this goal? A. Context and model latent space. B. Instruction and negative prompts. C. Model latent space and negative prompts. Or D. Context, instruction, and negative prompts. We'll review this question in the next episode, where we're continuing our journey into prompt engineering, looking at specific techniques for prompt engineering. As always, don't forget to follow, like, or subscribe if you enjoyed this episode, and tell your friends or co-workers as well. See you in the next one.